Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you are well and healthy. Welcome to NIEPS Homeschool. This is Fatima Sabrin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take English first paper class for the students of class 9 on the topic Unit 5 Lesson 3. I am repeating, today our topic is Unit 5 Lesson 3. Students, this is lecture number 20 and homework number 14. I am repeating, this is lecture number 20 and homework number 14. Students, please take your textbook. We are going to read the text from lesson 5, unit 5, lesson 3. So, let's start. Unit 5, lesson 3, name, man and climate. The text is, humans can neither change the sun's radiation nor the earth's orbit around the sun, but they can control the increase in the amount of greenhouse gases and its effect on the atmosphere. Only during the last 100 years, the carbon dioxide concentration has been raised alarmingly in the atmosphere, and we humans can be held responsible for this. The main cause of the increase in carbon dioxide level in the atmosphere is the burning of fossil fuels. Since the end of the 19th century, industrial activities increased rapidly, giving rise to many factories. These factories required energy which was produced through the combustion of coal. Besides coal, other sources of energy such as mineral oil and natural gas were also burned to heat our houses, run cars and airplanes, or to produce electricity. Nowadays, about 85 million barrels of crude oil are burned daily. Every time a fossil raw material is burned, it releases carbon dioxide into the air. So humans are the main responsible for carbon dioxide, for the increasing of carbon dioxide. It is harmful for living beings. Every year it is increasing because we are using cars, we are using airplanes, and we are using a lot of heat inside our houses. So that's why it is not necessary or effective for our living beings. Therefore, it is clear that more and more greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide are being generated worldwide by humans. Moreover, we are also strengthening the greenhouse effect by deforestation, which means cutting down trees. Yes, it is one of the most important reasons behind this increasing of carbon dioxide, because we are cutting our trees mercilessly. We are cutting, but we are not planting trees, and that's why we find the decrease of oxygen and increase of carbon dioxide. So that's why we are saying man or human being are the main responsible of this incident. Every year, enormous areas of forest are destroyed by people to obtain wood and to clear regions for mining and to create pasture. This loss of the forest causes dual problems. Trees that are burned up release large volumes of carbon dioxide gas into the air. On the other hand, as forests absorb a lot of carbon dioxide from the air and deliver oxygen instead, we also destroy an important storehouse of carbon dioxide when we clear forests. So we usually know we used to take oxygen and we used to emit carbon dioxide, and our trees takes this carbon dioxide that we emit. So if we destroy our trees, if we destroy our forest, then we will be in lack of oxygen, and the rate of increasing carbon dioxide will be increased more amount like before. So that's why we have to plant more and more trees to think about ourselves. Students, now we can see part B and part C. In part B, there are 5 true false given. 5 statements are given. You have to write whether it is true or false. And in part C, there are matching is given. You have to match them. You will write only answer of this matching, and this part B and C will be your homework, and this homework is for your vacation. I'm repeating, true, false and matching will be homework of your vacation. And students, the submission date of your homework is 29th May 2021. Students, that's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.